because like he's not gonna get any traction on the sand.
No,
and if he loses it there, then we're you know what I mean?
Yeah. And he's stuck.
And he's stuck.
El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God.
Or you put this on the Google, or I'm on the Google if you want to Google me. It's worth the Google.
El Chapo. I am the God. You know I get the kilos, 50%. If you are not bilingual, get the fuck up out of town before we run your ass down.
We are not friends anymore because you're talking shit about me on camera.
I put it on the internet.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Because Paul likes to point the finger.
Jesse.
Paul likes to point the finger. What I told him is when you're pointing the finger, you got fucking 3 more pointing back at you, dickwad.
I was like, you fucker. Ooh, you're Paul pointing fingers all the time.
That's right. Morning, Louie. People don't like this.
All right, start of the week. What we're doing right now is we got a couple projects on the go. We got something going on in the east, something going on in the west, and something going on here. One in the west, they're wrapping up, bringing the 325 over to the airport where we're starting a new septic. The one in the east, we are wrapping up another septic for the National Capital Committee, which is super cool. Oh, we're gonna go check on those projects today. I got my buddy Dylan with me. He's up from Michigan, which is super cool. He's rolling with us till Thursday, which is gonna be neat. And we're gonna get after it here. Eat it.
I already had one.
Have another one. I'm really hoping to work on it. Fuck. I wanted it.
What?
It was like a reverse psychology thing. I was really hoping you were going to be like, no, and then I was just going to mow down on it. But whatever, it's fine. I don't care. Fuck in the truck.
This ain't a truck.
This isn't a truck.
Get in the Cadillac. Okay, welcome to CARP. Originally founded in 1842 by General Custard, everybody. Life's a movie, bro. We built a robotic arm in Canada, just so you know.
For what?
Spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, haven't written set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant.
They were severing off parcels of land here, and in order to do so, the city came back to them and were like, you guys need to do a bunch of different little things in order to make this approved. One of those things being this project over here. We had to fill in dirt, create some swales, some ditching work, so run off water. Another thing was they needed to add an upgrade to this system as far as putting nitrates in the ground, putting a new tank in, and making sure that this bed could handle the flow of that building and then separate it from that building as well too. It's a cool little neat little project, and they'll probably wrap up here today. We've been here 3 days.
I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Felt like a hell when nobody happened. Hot shells jumping out, they semi-automatic.
Whoa!
Thought I didn't slip off the ramps.
Didn't crash my truck.
Nope.
What's up?
Should have left this on while we were driving. It's
Cold?
Yeah.
All right, let's go look at what we got to do. Well, we are going to be spreading some gravel around some sonotubes for a new garage that got built on the property. Small little job, 2 loads of gravel, spread it. We'll be in and out of here in a couple hours, if that. Friday job, baby. This high-vis toque is amazing for working. If only there was a place that sold these amazing toques. The available LED rechargeable on the front. Oh wait, there is. Down below. Do you want to be cool? Buy a toque.
Might have a little dirt on my boots, but I'm taking you uptown tonight. Might have a little mud on my wheels, but they gonna shine with you up inside. Gonna hit the club, gonna cut a rug, burn it up like right off them tonight.
We're all wrapped up here at the job. Daniel's loaded up the excess gravel that we do not need. And then we're heading out of here, heading back to Carp. Seatbelts, baby. I got a seatbelt ticket in a dump truck once. Fucking sucks. Then they do a fucking inspection. And I got a level 3 inspection. And they checked my windshield washer fluid. And then they plugged into the truck. And turned out the truck was not governed. In Ontario here, your truck is only allowed going 105 kilometers an hour. Like a big truck like this. And mine can go 135. So I got about a $600 fine for that. And a $400 fine for my seatbelt. And that was a good day. Just like that, we dumped a load. We dumped a big fat load at Daniel's house. But I'm not being sick, you're being sick. Oh, that's why.
Jesus Christ, you're jerking all over fucking Daniel's driveway.
Jerking all over. I just dropped a fat load here at Daniel's house and I was just jerking all over the laneway now with my box, so. We'll head her back to the yard now. Man, I don't have a fucking truck. Where's Daniel? I own fucking 9 goddamn trucks and I got none to drive. I guess there's that one. Man, I am not being productive right now. I need to go and do things. I'm gonna take the golf cart.
Do you get paid at all
the way in the cart.
Anyway.
To suit my personality. It's loud and obnoxious. I'm kind of calm, cool, and collected kind of guy. So, yeah. Namaste, everybody. Oh, fuck! Happy Halloween.
Timmy Turner, he was wishing for a burner. The key, everybody rocking. You know how this on the furnace.
Well, Paul's here. It's Halloween. He's dressed up, scary as fuck.
Hey, you know what I'm dressed like?
Yeah?
Him in 20 years.
Oh.
Timmy Turner, he was wishing for a burner. You know that it's on the furnace, but it's your beaches. And they watch you, but no peachy, but from Wally. Kill everybody walking. You know that it's on the furnace. Timmy Turner.
Doing a septic. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it's 60 Elgin units, which I think will take the record for the biggest residential septic that we've done to date. We did one commercial system, Elgin system, that had 124 units in it. This has 60, so it's half the size of a school septic. It's a big one.
Here at this state house, Brad, get the fuck out of the way, dude. And nice big home, but the laneway is super nice, and we do not want to mess that up. So we were taking all the precautions here, and we put mats underneath the float where it's gonna hit the asphalt. We put mats on the side of the rim here where it might hit the asphalt, because we do not want to wreck this laneway. There's a metal I-beam underneath the trailer that sits in a bit. Here, I'll show them. That beam right there that the wheels are on, right there. And we're worried about it hitting and scraping, because it will, it just touched. So we're gonna block the front instead so it can't go down enough, and then hopefully go from there.
All I need is your love tonight.
That was easy.
All I need is your love tonight.
Corey's about to go crazy. He's got a month left. Jerking off the can right
So what we got, we're gonna do a septic, okay? So you dig out your septic bed, right? Right about halfway, you got this end and this end is 6 inches difference, okay? This end is 6 inches higher, this end 6 inches lower, right? So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your septic tank in over here, it's a fairly big one, and it's gonna come out, gravity feed into a D-box, it's gonna split, and you got 2 runs that go this way and 2 runs that go that way. You got 60 units in this entire bed, all right? A total of 453 square meters contact area of sand needs to be in this whole entire thing. So what you need to do is you need to measure your width and your length, okay? You times that together and it will give you your square meters. Engineering.
Septic with Corey.
Hey?
Everyone's gonna know this is like your favorite song.
It is my favorite song. That's not my favorite song. My favorite song is He Went to Jared by Morgan Wallen and Hority. That's my favorite song.
You
And then
got married, eh?
yeah, I know, I saw that. Another one gone.
Dude, you just got married too.
Oh yeah, forgot.
I don't know if it's worth it me like dumping something there because like he's not gonna get any traction on the sand.
No,
and if
I
he
don't think
loses
so.
it there, then we're fucked. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's gonna get drier throughout the day, so. And he's stuck.
What the fuck are we gonna do?
We need a yank 'em rope.
Can't be pulling every fucking truck back here. Brad gave me a green light to bring in a little gravel if we want. Get Danny a little strip in the area, and then we'll build a road in. Okay?
This massive residential septic that we're doing is proving to start off difficult today because we got pouring rain overnight, which made the ground super soft and sticky, which made Paul get stuck. Again, the laneway's a big concern, as you saw us yesterday. So now what we're gonna do is bring in gravel and basically build a road into the bed, which one of these things, it's like it's not in the budget, but the other option is carting in 35 loads of sand, which would cost us way more. So we'll bring in 4 or 5 loads of gravel, do it properly. That way we're also not wrecking their laneway with copious amounts of sticky mud and getting the truck stuck. There was a way that I could see. Whenever I first bought these toques, I actually asked myself, when the fuck would I use a light on a toque? And well, my friends, we are living in that moment. Ken White Construction and Toque hoodies are linked down below. Badass, baby. 3 different settings too. And they charge on a USB. No big deal. We can fire this rig up, baby. Big excavator there. Lights are on. They understand here in the pit.
Got your 2 best friends in them blue lawn chairs. It's the lakeside laugh and that drinking too heavy. It's the midnight cruise in that beat up old Chevy.
Come out of the property, back down the laneway, dump my first load of the day, baby. This place is fucking brutal. Cars coming, you're clear my way. Thank you.
We chase that sun, small town outlaws, all for one, one for all. We smoke and fight, we laugh, we cry. They're my ride or dies, yeah. These are my boys for life.
Ready. Oh, good here. Okay, that is the video. We didn't have one again last week. We kind of just been, obviously, like we always say, putting out quality over quantity. But what the fuck did we do in this video?
Yeah, an American here.
Oh yeah, Dylan was here. Shout out Dylan at D2 Contracting. That's where you can find him. Thanks for coming to Canada, man. That was awesome. How could I forget that? Yeah. Show Dylan some love. Thanks for coming. Thanks for tuning along. I like it. Okay. We'll catch you next week. Possibly the week after. Most likely the week after. Take care. Looks like I
Came down with a little bit of the Canadian COVID.
This to show you Americans just can't hack it up here, hey?
But of course, I didn't forget you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire videos. Look at that sign. To the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, back at her. Why are you commenting down below, back at her? Well, I was back at her shifting gears, and it reminded me of when I first got my license 6 years ago, driving the tandem. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, back at her. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm going to a wedding. Have a good weekend.